Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus ES350 key fob battery. First, ensure you have the correct replacement battery, usually a CR2032 coin cell. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key itself. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Now, press the release button and carefully slide out the emergency key from the bottom of the fob. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small notch or slot inside the opening. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or the emergency key into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Use your small screwdriver or fingernail to carefully pry it out of its holder. Take your new CR2032 battery and ensure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Gently press the new battery into the compartment until it securely clicks into place. With the new battery installed, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until they snap securely into place all around the edges. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear it click and lock. Test your key fob to ensure all functions are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.